Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss the third year electrical practical under the subject electrical installation maintenance and testing. The experiment title is construction working and troubleshooting of any two household electrical equipment. So student can select any two household equipment and they can prepare a report related to construction, working and its troubleshooting. So in this experiment, I am going to discuss about two electric equipment. One is electric fan and second is mixer. So everyone know the electric fan. You know the different parts of electric fan, like we are using spray head, then it is fill opening to fill the water, it is fill opening, then front tip, shell, water level tube, spray control, then spray button, fabric guide, handle, cord, then signal lamp, hill rest, temperature control. So these are the different parts of electric irons. So what are the troubles, what are the problems, what are the fault occurs in electric iron? So students should write the construction and working of electric iron, then they can write the troubleshooting for this electric iron. So first trouble, no heat. So when we switch on the electric iron, the electric iron is not heated. So first trouble is no heat. What are the possible causes? So there is no power at outlet. So what is the corrective action to be taken? Check outlet for power. Then second one is defective cord or plug. Check it, repair it or replace it. Then third is loose terminal connection. For this, check the connection. If it is loose, tighten the connection. Next one is broken lead in iron. Repair it or replace the lead. Next one is loose thermostat control knob. Clean that knob and tighten it. Then defective thermostat. Replace the thermostat. Defective heater element. Replace the element if separate. If cast in, then replace sole plate assembly. Open terminal fuse, replace it. So these are the possible causes and these are the corrective actions to be taken. Second trouble is insufficient heat. What is the reason? The low line voltage. For that, you have to check the output voltage. Second one is incorrect thermostat setting. Adjust the thermostat setting and recalibrate the thermostat. Third is excessive heat. Again, the causes are incorrect thermostat setting, defective thermostat. You have to check it, the thermostat setting. You have to adjust it. If it is defective, you have to replace it. Next trouble is blisters on sole plate. So the possible causes are there may be excessive heat. So first you have to repair the thermostat control, then replace or repair the sole plate depending on its condition. Other troubles are tear cloths, rough spot, scratch, burn on sole plate. What is the corrective action? Remove this spot with fine emery and polish the area with buff. Iron cannot be turned off. The possible cause is thermostat switch contacts are welded together. Corrective measures are check the thermostat switch contact, open them by force, check the connection. If it is not working, replace it. Then power cord, loose connection, broken wire. You have to check it. If it is loose, tight it. If it is broken, replace it. Then sticks to cloth. There are many causes like dirty sole plate, excessive starch in cloth, wrong setting of thermostat knob, iron, it is too hot for fabric being iron. So what you have to take? If it is dirty, clean it. If excessive starch in cloth, low iron at low temperature, use less starch next time. Then set the knob to correct temperature, then lower the thermostat setting, etc. Iron gives shock. What are the possible causes? Disconnect the earth connection, weak insulation of heating element, earth continuity with common earth not available. So you know that what are the corrective actions. Second equipment is electric mixer. So you know the different parts of electric mixer. So here the base switch unit is available, then ventilator, wiper, then supply cord, the blades are used, then pot or glass is used for mixing the mixture. What are the trouble? Does not start on switching on. What is the cause? Discontinuity in supply. What is the remedy? Check and repair or replace. Then second one is mixer unit does not function properly. So these are the causes. Motor field coil is not working, armature open coil, open circuited, worn out benches. So do the corrective action. Then sparking at brushes. The reasons are wrong position of brushes, brushes not properly adjusted, then worn out or damages the brushes are damaged, there is loose spring tension, armature coil is open, either open or short circuited, then mica segment not proper. So as per the causes, take the preventive action. Next one is abnormal noise, maybe loose fitting or rotor run is excessive. So for loose fitting, check the connection, tighten the screw or fittings, or for rotor run is excessive, check and change the washers. Overheating of mixer. So we know that overheating due to overload or tight and frozen bearing, uneven gap between stator and rotor. So if it is overloaded, remove some material from pot. If it is tightened, grease and clean the bearing. If it is uneven gap between stator and rotor, make the rotor in proper position. Then humming sound is coming, but mixer is not working. Mixer motor is not rotating. So what is the causes? Rubbing of rotor with stator or bearing are too tight. So how to check bearing are too tight? Switch off the supply, move the motor shaft by hand, check its tightness. If it is very tight, then what you have to do? You have to replace it or repair it. So these are the trouble of electric household appliances. So students should write construction working and then troubleshooting of these appliances. Student can select any household electrical equipment. So thank you for watching this video.